Welcome to today's quick guide on navigating Telegram's latest desktop update to find voice messages effortlessly. Whether you're revisiting an important conversation or hunting for that hilarious audio clip, these new search filters make it simpler than ever. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and looking at your main chat list. At the top of the screen, you'll notice the search bar. It's your gateway to everything saved in your chats. Click on it to activate the search function. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of sifting through endless messages, Telegram now lets you filter results by type. After clicking the search bar, a drop-down menu appears with categories like chats, media, links, and, key to today's focus, voice. Select the voice option to narrow your search exclusively to audio messages. With the filter applied, type a keyword or phrase related to the voice note you're looking for. For example, if a friend sent you a recipe as a voice memo, try searching for pasta or dinner. Telegram will instantly display all voice messages containing those terms. You can scroll through the results, preview snippets, and click to play the full audio directly in the chat. This feature isn't just for old messages. Say you're in a group where members frequently share updates via voice. Use the voice filter to quickly catch up without scrolling through unrelated text or images. It's also perfect for creators or professionals who rely on voice notes for collaboration. And there you have it. Searching for voice messages on Telegram's desktop app is now a seamless, time-saving experience. Whether you're organizing important details or reliving fun moments, this tool puts your audio content right at your fingertips. Need to refine your search further? Experiment with combining keywords or pairing the voice filter with date ranges in the chat settings. Telegram's flexibility ensures you'll always find what you need. That's all for today's walkthrough. Start exploring your voice messages like never before, and let us know how this update streamlines your workflow.